In this video, I'll show you how to create custom dashboards in Salesforce quickly and easily. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to design dashboards that make tracking your business metrics smoother and more efficient. Stick around because I'll also share a special way to get Salesforce for free with exclusive bonuses. So, let's dive into creating custom dashboards in Salesforce, where you can bring together all the data that matters to you. First things first, once you're logged into Salesforce, navigate to the Reports tab. You can find it in your main menu. If you don't have a report yet, you'll want to create one that you can add to your dashboard. Click on New Report and pick the report type that suits your needs. You can choose from various objects, like accounts or opportunities. The more specific your report, the more useful your dashboard will be. Now, the next thing you'll want to do is create a new dashboard. To do this, go to the Dashboards tab and click Create New Dashboard. Give it a name, make sure it's something clear and descriptive so you can easily identify it later. You'll also need to choose which folder you want it saved in. If this dashboard is something you want to share with your team, you'll want to save it in a shared folder. Next, let's talk about adding reports to your dashboard. Once your dashboard is created, click the Add Component button. You'll see a variety of options. You can add charts, tables, and metrics, and you can customize these components based on the report you created earlier. This is where you bring your data to life. For example, you could create a pie chart showing sales by region or a bar graph of opportunities by stage. The fourth thing you'll need to do is adjust the settings for each component. Click on each component, and you'll be able to edit things like the title, data source, and appearance. It's really important to adjust the settings to ensure that the dashboard reflects exactly what you need to see. You can make components larger or smaller depending on what you want to highlight. The fifth thing you should consider is making your dashboard interactive. With Salesforce, you can create drill downs so you can click on specific data points to get more detailed information. This is a huge time saver, allowing you to dive deeper into the data right from the dashboard without needing to go back to the reports. To set this up, make sure to enable Drill Down when you're editing your components. Finally, after customizing your dashboard, don't forget to save your work. You can also schedule it to refresh automatically so you always have the most up-to-date data. And that's it. You now know how to create custom dashboards in Salesforce. But wait, before you go, I want to remind you that you can use Salesforce completely free with the exclusive link below. You'll also get some bonuses that'll help you make the most of Salesforce, including additional resources and extended trials. Click that first link below to grab your free trial and start building your own custom dashboards in Salesforce today. Thanks for watching.